Ever felt lost navigating customer service with Google Voice? Let's simplify it with RingFlow. Let's dive into RingFlow's features, designed for seamless customer service experiences. First up, connecting your Google Voice account to RingFlow is just a few clicks away. With RingFlow, managing your calls and messages becomes a breeze, even during peak hours. Troubleshooting is made simple. Let's resolve common Google Voice issues with RingFlow. Maximize your productivity by integrating RingFlow with other tools you use daily. Enhance team collaboration using RingFlow's shared inbox feature for Google Voice. Gain insights into customer interactions with RingFlow's advanced analytics for Google Voice. Join the community of professionals who've streamlined their communication with RingFlow. Have questions? RingFlow's dedicated support is here to assist you every step of the way. Empower your communication. Transform your customer service with RingFlow and Google Voice.